It's Magazine Fjord, and today I will show you how to bypass your latest Galaxy device. So first of all, make sure that you have the SIM card inserted into your device, and then you click on the PIN code. And then we proceed with the clicking start button. Make sure that you log on to your Wi-Fi, because there might be some issues with the SIM card internet. If you don't have SIM card internet, so make sure to log into your Wi-Fi. So okay, yeah, we have now the Wi-Fi. And then next, and now okay, so here we have a problem. In fact, our device will not work. So what you have to do, you have to download Realterm Samsung devices, Samsung USB drivers. So first of all, make sure that you download Samsung USB drivers, and this is the link that I'm showing now. I will highlight it, and also you will be able to see that on the description below. Another thing is to download is a Realterm application for your Windows system. So here it is, and make sure that you download that. So I will show you very simple ways. Just a second. Okay, so first, you have to download Samsung USB drivers, and I will show you. Okay, just a second. So you get here, and then you copy this. You go through the ad, wait for 5 seconds. To be able to skip that. Now here we go, we skip the ad, and then you are able to download. You just click here, and you'll soon see that it will appear here. So this is the first thing to download, and another thing to download is Realterm. So make sure that also, so you see that it's already been downloaded, Samsung USB drivers, and we'll be able, anyway, I have this application, but I will show you how to do that. Another thing to do is to download the Realterm, which I also have, and this is basically the same thing that you have to do, what I showed before. So you wait for the ad to finish, then skip, and then you are here. So this Realterm, you also have the option to click here, which means that it will be downloaded. As you can see, it's also being downloaded. So these are two things that must be on your PC. So anyway, the installation comes very easily. You just proceed with that. Just fastly, you make sure that it's done. Okay, don't untick everything, just finish with that.
Warning, do not enter this game if you're
this is some, and then so here's the Realterm, and also our Samsung USB drivers need to be installed. And you can see that they're already installed. So in your case, you should have click yes, or you will also would not see this message. So I already have them. So next step is to turn your is to check to which port this device will fit. So make sure that USB cable is the original one. Otherwise, you will not be able to log in to your PC. So you go into start and then click for device manager, you're here, and then search for modems. Then click properties, and sorry, I think maybe for some it will not show. But usually when you add your device, you will be able to see modems, and then when you click on that, you will be able to see everything. Well, in fact, you have to go into modems, then double click that, and you will see Samsung Mobile USB modem. Then right click for properties, and then click on the modem. So you'll see COM number 3. So number 3 is the essential information. So now you can just remove everything. And then we are getting into Realterm application. We run as administrator, and then we see this table. So first what we do, we check the port. This port number 3, which is correct one, because we saw that. And the next thing we have to do, we have to write a few things, and which I'll show some. And we have here 2 commands. So the first one, we have to type this one. So make sure that you copy that and get into send. So make sure that it's copied. This is how it looks like. And then send as CII. And you see this port. Okay, sometimes you might get error, so make sure that you restart your PC, your program, this program, and also change the ports, but then make sure that the port number is correct, because I've got like 10 times error, so that's okay. And it also applies for the second command. There might be some errors. So we put the second error, which you will also see in the description. This is how it looks, but also make sure that if you get error, just add one more number to that. But let's try with the 3 numbers. Okay, we see okay, and it's connected, and we see that our device is working. So I have one information, like for some of you guys it will not work. So I mean, you might I will show you once again. For some of you guys, because of the security reasons, neither speaker, neither add contact, none of this, even an SMS, internet will work. So even contact. So make sure you click on the S planner. So this is an essential thing what we know now. So we have to create a new event, and then make sure that this is today is going to happen, and the event should start. And also here's the location and time zone, everything here. Okay. So make sure that you have title here. Also as a title you can, I really recommend you to use my link, which is for all devices, for all the downloads. So here is the link for other files. So make sure that you put it here. And so let's type in. Then 2 slashes. Sorry for too many. Only double T, and then again this one, and then you type 1K343N. So you can try to copy this. Okay. Okay. Then we also need to make the exact time. So I might not done it correctly. So first of all, you have to do it here, not there. Just past that. And then the time will be, just make sure that this is 1 minute ahead. 14.39 in our case. Should be okay. And then let's make a save. Okay, so event created. We don't know the time, but it should soon appear. And when it's done, you will be able to click on that web page. Just wait a little. And you soon should get this. So you have to click on the details and then click right here, because I was not able, but I know that it works. It really works. So once it's done and it's working, so you just click on this and you have been redirected to the ad. Then click on skip ad. And here we are in the download section. So make sure to download, first of all, make sure to download FRP bypass. So you had to click like this and then make sure that you download this. Just make sure to allow that. Google.com, then send it. Okay, you can click cancel, but anyway, just click for google.com. Okay guys, so you will have to download ES file browser, but you will have to download with the Samsung Galaxy Apps application, which is already should be on the device, even though it's hard reset. So just click on the samsung.com Galaxy Apps, and then on this website you will have to click on Samsung Galaxy Apps. So now you will have to agree to terms and conditions, and also you will have to sign in, but I will just show you. Just find ES File Explorer, click on the download, and you will have to make sure that you sign in with a Samsung Google account credentials. You can also create the account, or you can do on your PC. So I will do that and get back to you. Okay, now we can see that we are signed in. Okay, now accept and download. Should download. Then you can see that it's installing, so it doesn't take a very long time. Once installed, just click on the application, open, and then you will have to add few things here. So just get back and click on this. Just click on the favorite and then add. Here we will add few paths. So the first one will be downloading Google bypass account. So I'll tell you the website is google.google. Just a second. This one, the third one. So I will put. You will have to put that on here in the path field, then dot GL and dash HK 80 WD, and then let's name it like a bypass. Okay, just add it. Then it's successfully added. You could see the notification. Now just click on the bypass. You can see that we are redirected. Okay guys, so you will have to click on the root on this file, and then once it downloaded, so just click open file, install, and you will see this popped up. Install is blocked, and for security you will have to go into settings and then tick unknown sources, and also allow this for all the time, so just untick that. So install. Okay, great. Get back. Now you will have to add one more link, and this will be HTTP, then 2 dots, and then slashes vnrom.net bypass. Also you can add google.com, because you can also find many Google account managers on the Google, so don't worry, Google account manager. So let's name it like this, but you can also name it with different way. So you can see the bookmark gum is created successfully. Go to again to that, and then scroll it down, and then click on the gum. And for guys, you have the latest Android device, and it will require you to, if you have Android 6.01 or newer device, you will have to download this Google Account Manager. So just wait a little bit. It will take a little bit time, so stay tuned. And also, as I mentioned before, that if you have also Android 5.0, so you can click on that GUM 5. Now proceed with the install. Okay, of course I want to install that. Just click install. Okay, so since it's installed, so nothing should be done. Okay, and and now you will have to click on once again on this part, so that I will explain you. Okay, you just click on that. Open the file, install, again install, because this part should have been done first. So anyway, you just open that, and you have to retype your password, but you don't know, in fact you don't know what it is. So just click on the bottom and browse sign in, click OK. And here you will have to add your own account, which you know, your password, your login, so just add your information. And after guys you put all your information, just make sure that you restored your device. So click restore, and then you restore that. Okay, and after a few minutes you will be able to see that this device doesn't locked anymore, and it's not locked anymore, so you will be able to use that without any problem. So let's take a very fast look.
Okay, now we just head in. Well, it's already, this information is inside the device. Okay, checking connection. Checking software update, and you can see clearly that the account has been added. Your first account is ready for use. You can add and remove accounts later in settings. So this is how you bypass Google account on Samsung Galaxy phones, and in this case this is Samsung A3. So you just click next and just next, skip, and this is how we get into restoring information. Okay, let's now just head in. Okay, just later, next, and finish. And you can see that we already have a new this is nice, really nice. It's just finished. So this is how you bypass Google account. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Yeah, take care.